to World NG channel. Today we are learning about how potato chips are made in the factory. Potato chips are made in factories through a series of manufacturing processes. Here is a step-by-step guide on how potato chips are typically made. 1. Selection of potatoes. High-quality potatoes are first selected and sorted based on their size, texture, and quality. Potatoes with uniform shape and size are preferred for consistent chip production. 2. Washing and peeling. The selected potatoes are thoroughly washed and cleaned to remove any dirt and impurities. Then, the potatoes are peeled using water or steam jet peelers, where high-pressure water or steam is used to remove the potato skins. 3. Slicing. The peeled potatoes are sliced into thin, even slices using specialized potato slicers. The thickness of the slices can vary based on the desired chip thickness. 4. Washing and blanching. The sliced potato chips are washed again to remove any starch content. After washing, the chips are blanched by briefly immersing them in hot water or steam. This process helps to soften the potatoes and partially cook them. 5. Drying. The blanched potato slices are dried using large industrial dryers. This removes excess moisture from the chips and prepares them for frying. 6. Frying. The dried potato chips are then fried in vegetable oil at a carefully controlled temperature. This frying process gives the chips their characteristic crispy texture and golden color. The frying time varies based on the desired level of crispness. 7. Flavoring. After frying, the chips are seasoned with various flavors and spices. This is achieved by tumbling the chips in rotating drums, or by spraying the flavoring mixture onto the chips. Different flavorings can be added, such as salt, barbecue, cheese, sour cream, etc. 8. Cooling and packaging. The flavored chips are then cooled down using cooling belts or in large cooling rooms. This helps to set the flavors and prevents any moisture buildup. The chips are then transferred to packaging machines, where they are weighed and placed into bags or containers. The bags are sealed to ensure freshness and a longer shelf life. 9. Quality control. Throughout the entire manufacturing process, quality control measures are implemented to ensure consistent chip quality. This includes inspection and removal of any unsatisfactory chips, monitoring of oil quality, and adherence to food safety standards. Once packaged, the potato chips are ready to be transported and sold in stores for consumers to enjoy. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more and see you on the next video.